Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go.
Let's get the old, look at all the mud. That mud followed me down. It's over here in the shallow, it's not over in the deep, so I can deal with that. Where are the minnows? Is that a duck blind? That can't be a duck blind. Nah. Get up here. Oh, another decent one. It's coming to me. Oh, that's new. It's the second one I've ever caught in out of this little river. Little white bass. Alright, multi-species day. White bass like frogs too. His little tongue. That's nothing. Thank you, guy. Heavy. I bought this little frog from. So I only got 3 more. We gotta find out where I bought them from and get some more. 'Cause they do pretty good. Okay. I said okay, and it's light action rod bends over so good. Whee. Average. Moving on. Yeah. We'll fish the stew out of this. Fish the rocks first. Before my cloud gets down there. Okay. That bird better ease on. Good reason for having like these small hooks for these small fish. They straighten out. And not that a tiny micro lure like this is even expensive. But you don't break off and have to tie. And new swivel or just get away with replacing the jig head and the plastic, go for it. Nothing against it. I gave it that little pop and he sinked it. Jump out of the water, man. Ow! Calm down, sir. See? All of them about this size. But it's fine. They got a lot of eating and growing to do if you want to keep them. I think here 18 inches is keepable. And I think I've only caught 2 out of this whole river. It's fun fish to catch, but not if you keep them. It just takes so long to get a smallmouth and grow to a decent size, and people out there keep it 6 and 8 inchers. Not seen any ducks in this river the whole 3 years I've been here. I've seen geese. No ducks. Jumping out of the water. Oh, I missed. Trying to make him jump out of the water for a cool video. I saw the white just disappear. If you can see that, how it comes through the water like that, just see it disappear. That's what he's looking for. Oh, just see that I matrixed that stuff. It was coming at me, I was hitting it like wheel. I check that hook. There's 2 of them lost right here at me. No, they were good, straight up and down. Yeah. I hit the matrix on that dude. Scud missile. Shoot. To move on from here. No, that's not it. That can't be. We're gonna throw this combination together. See what happens. The white don't get it. The curly frog legs don't get it. It's like a double. It's not really a frog. It's like a, what do they call it? It's either double tail grub or twin tail grub and then the underspin. That's gonna be deadly. A little bit heavier of a jig head, so we can get down to the bottom a little bit faster. That way I don't have to wait on it to sink. So wasn't sure about hitting it, or he didn't want to hit it. I saw him like tap it and flash. Let's make my way back up this way. There's one. There you go. See that? Maybe y'all can see that. Their teeth. Oh, so sharp. That tells me there are no shellfish, crawfish in here. All minnows. Gripper teeth are long and sharp for grabbing little bait fish and minnows. But if I catch a good 1 or 2 pounder, the teeth on that thing would just gnaw my thumb up. Yep. Too big to flip them and then get that thumb. It's crazy. Just like it just feels like you're in a piece of grass or something. Your line just gets real tough to pull in, and then setting the hook, done. Oh, you know, I gotta set it technically. Slow it down a little bit. There we go now. Come down there and see a little minnow. Jump clean out of the water. Jump out of the water about that high. Right there. Like that. Oh, hope I got that on film. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Oh, he's a pretty good one. Yeah, look at that hook set. Easy peasy, right out. Yeah, his teeth. I'm gonna See that? Them gripper teeth are just crazy. There you go. Decent size little smallmouth. Biggest of the day. It's a jumping. Pretty good. They're healthy in here. Yeah, they are pretty healthy. Not, scrawny looking or anorexic. They're pretty decent. Excuse me. Ow. Go ahead. This is looking kind of crazy. Are you the same fish? No, he's a little smaller. For a minute, started to think they'd be catching the same fish over and over again. I ain't even kept count. I don't even keep count, really. Oh! I keep counting if it's at 0. That's about it. Hey. Now this is it's all over your mouth, bro. What I see there? Two little black dots. What you been eating? There ain't been no leeches. Going straight across or upstream? Because if not, the blade on that underspin is too much current going over it and it'll spin or it'll turn sideways. That's not what you want. You want it. Let me see that. Just like that. See that? That's how you want it to be swimming. Two little kicky tails. Oh, what other names are there for like limb brim, tree pounder? I know you got grass bass. I don't know. I ain't thinking of anymore at the moment. It's weird. Other than like toad, hog, and like stuff you get hung up on. Nothing with bridge. Oh, he smoked it. That's decent size there. You gonna stop? Man. Look at that guy. put that fin down. That makes two. Nice little white bass. Look at his tail. You see his fin? There's got little black dots. Oh, little bass had in his mouth. Like parasites, or wanted to catch that rock bass. I only caught one out of here. That was way up the river by the dam. But he was dark. It wasn't light like that smallmouth. It was like a little football. Look. Get. It's kind of the opposite down here. Instead of you'll float too, they just say. It's really pretty down here. It's a little smaller. Oh, see that? A little smaller. Been down here for, what was it, say, an hour? Oh, rock. Oh, I don't thought it was. That's a decent size. He's gonna be tiny. No. There's your dark colored smallie. He hit. Let me change hands. I was about to say another rock. And he started moving. So I said, not another rock. There's a little fat guy. Decent. Make sure I get this little fat little tummy. Eating minnows and bait fish and bugs. No crawls. That's how thick he is. As soon as it hit the water. Ba-boom. There you go. Oh, he's in the current. So just sitting here. Just tearing them up. Another little fat one. See how wide they are? These are fat little guys. And then what I'm doing is you got the slack water that runs right here. And then see the current on either side. Throw it right down the middle of it. And that's where they're just stacked. Right there. They're just reeling it down. Probably go to the left a little bit more. But yeah, they're just sitting. Sitting and waiting. Try a little deeper. Alright, I think we have done our due diligence and plucked them out of this hole. Think he's being crazy? I do believe there might be one more left in here. That's what I was saying. That's what I was saying. Stop, bro. Feisty.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn ain't that great.